Okay. Today I will take a very basic chapter about the refraction under waves and particle nature. Okay. When it comes to the regular classes, if everything goes fine, later we go according to the topic. Today, just a basic topic, which is nothing but a refraction. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
What is refraction according to you?
A change in direction within a medium.
Okay. Change in direction with respect to a medium. But we know that light travels in a straight line, right? Then why it bends?
Because of the change, because of the difference. Wait, no. What was the word? It has to do with the mediums, but
Yeah.
I forgot the exact word I'm supposed to use.
Okay. For example, if you take example of this diagram, when a ray travels from, so this is what? So during reflection, what we have studied? We have studied only with respect to air medium, correct? The reflection
Yeah.
is happening only with respect to air medium. But with
Yeah.
respect to refraction, what is happening? We will see now. Okay. Why it is called refraction? See, when a ray of light, which is incident on a rectangular glass slab. This is a rectangular glass slab. What's your name?
Julian.
Julian. Okay. Rectangular glass slab. What happens is that the ray which was about to travel like this, correct? The ray which was about to travel straight line.
Okay.
Correct? This is not exactly up to the scale, but you know the point. Light travels in a straight line, but it bent in this point. Okay.
Okay, but when it comes out, why is it again the same?
Yeah, that's the question. Okay, that's the point here, exactly here. Actually, when a ray travels from, so we call this air medium as rarer medium. Okay.
Okay.
The medium other than air is called as denser medium. Okay.
Denser medium. Okay.
So when a ray of light, it is traveling from rarer to denser medium. What is happening? See, we know that what is the speed of light in air or vacuum? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, correct? Here the
Yes.
speed will be what? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, correct?
Right.
So therefore, what happens when the ray of light is incident on a glass slab, which is the starting point of the denser medium? What happens is that when it enters to the denser medium, its speed decreases. Okay.
Okay.
Then when it is traveling from denser to rarer again. So this is denser, this is again rarer. Okay. What happens? Lower speed to higher speed.
Lower speed to higher speed. Got it.
Okay. So therefore, the main point is that when a ray of light is traveling from, so 1 minute. That I'll come. When a ray of light is traveling from rarer to denser medium, okay?
Okay.
The property of light is that light travels in a straight line, but it is bent here, right? Is the property wrong or is this phenomenon wrong? The question arises, correct? Which is wrong?
The question?
The interpretation is wrong. The point here is that light will not bend here. Light appears to be bent. Okay. Are you getting what I'm saying?
So it's not actually bent, it just should.
It appears to be bent. Yes. Okay. So that's why when a light is traveling from rarer to denser medium. So this is what the incident ray, correct? So this will be what the incident ray. The ray which is hitting the glass light.
All right, got it.
It bends towards the normal because when the speed decreases, the bending is happening towards the normal. See, this is a normal, this is a red line, correct? The refracted ray.
Right. Yeah.
But when it is approaching the rarer medium, when it is traveling from denser to rarer medium, its speed increases and it bends away from the normal. Got the point?
Got the point, yeah.
So when a ray travels from, so the point here is that so when a ray travels from rarer to denser medium, okay?
Okay.
What are the 2 points? It bends towards the normal. Reason? What is the reason? The speed of light decreases. Okay, understood?
Okay, understood.
Okay. So similarly, when it is traveling from denser to rarer medium. So when it is traveling from denser to rarer, what is happening? It bends, speed increases, and bends away from north. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So in case of reflection, there were only two rays. One is the incident ray, reflected ray. Correct. But here, the ray which is incident on a glass slab, this is called as incident ray. The
Okay.
it's getting refracted inside the glass medium, that is called as refracted ray. Okay. And the ray which is leaving from a glass slab. Any idea what is this?
No, not at all.
Emergent ray.
Ah,
Okay. So
I
it's
never
very
done any
simple.
of this. Okay. Wow.
It's very simple. Due to the change in the medium, the incident ray, which was supposed to travel in this direction, correct? It
Correct.
traveled in this direction. So this is the concept of refraction, and the difference between this one. This is what? What is this? The extended incident ray and the emergent ray, you call it as lateral.
Hmm.
Any idea? Displacement. Okay. This is called as this region. The region between the extended incident ray and the emergent ray is called as lateral displacement.